Here's how to activate Facebook dating notification settings. So if you guys want to go ahead and activate these specific settings to your Facebook dating, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. So this is going to be pretty easy, guys. All we need to do is to launch the Facebook application. And once we're already here, let's go on over onto our menus. And let's scroll to Facebook dating right here. So tap on your settings on the top right corner and actually see, of course, and change the basics that you have, and also have some advanced preferences and some general settings as well. And under here, you can actually see this option called notification settings. So I want you guys to tap on that and have all of these enabled. So if you guys want to go ahead and, well, activate and also enable and receive messages and also those notifications from the Facebook dating feature, we need to go on to the Facebook dating settings under general and tap on notification settings and set all of these enabled. And basically that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.